Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat personal luggage. Now, this is like a backpack, rolling suitcase, or you can just carry it. Now, it's got so many hidden compartments in here. It is amazing. So right here at the top, you can undo this, and it's like magic. You now have a rolling suitcase that you can take with you to the airport, even into school or work. If you didn't want to use it as a rolling suitcase, you can actually just put that little telescoping rod back in, and you have on the back here, you can put it over an actual other suitcase to carry it on that way, or you can have it as a backpack. This is so cool that it has this whole backpack part on here. This would then just fold up and you'd be able to use it like that, have your backpack on there and just carry it around with you. I love everything about that. That is so nice that that is able to be able to use that like that. Now, when you are using this, you actually have many different areas that you can store different things in. You've got a little front pocket here to put passports or whatever else you want to in there. This is a nice little zippered area that goes down, Velcroed area that goes down a little further right here. All kind of hidden away. These zippers glide really nicely. This opens up to an area that you can put pens, pencils. Right through here, it is actually padded where you can hold an entire 17-inch laptop. This is my MacBook Air Pro, and it fits in there really nice. You could even put another iPad right there. Then, as you are traveling along, you need to put some different clothes or something like that in here. You can easily pack this up. Just undo the full zipper. It opens way up. It even has a nice little buckle in here to hold everything in place. On this side, you do have a waterproof area here if you needed to make sure something was, getting away from the water. And a nice little mesh zipper here. You can put all of your clothes in here. It's nice and deep to be able to put everything in here. Consolidate it all in. And wait, that is not all. You actually have side areas here to be able to put water bottles, any extra, maybe even a bottle, like a baby bottle. If you had kids, you got to use those. This has everything that you would need all over this entire suitcase, rolling backpack. There's your wheels on the back. Everything is nice and padded. I love all the versatility of this bag, and you can just take it anywhere you want to go.